Hey Glam Fam, so today we're going to be doing a look with the two Juvia Place palettes, the Nudes by Juvias and the Chocolates by Juvias. I am heavily inspired by this new PR package that I got from Juvia's Place. I absolutely love the makeup on the cover of this PR package. It is so gorgeous. So, the first color that we're going to be going into for this eye look is this pinky nude shade, and we are going to place this into our crease. So now we're going to be going in with this light sand color, and we're going to put that into our crease as well and blend that into the last shade. Put my contacts in. Let me do that really fast. Contacts in. Now we're gonna go in with the darker chocolate color right here, but we're gonna focus this more so towards our lid and in a very round shape. Okay guys, so now we're going to go into this dark brown right here from the Chocolates palette, and we are just going to pack that onto our lid, blend it up just a little bit into that lighter brown. And then I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and we are going to place this in the highlighting spots. So both eyes done, and now I'm going to go underneath the eyes. I'm going to be taking these three colors, the same ones we did before, and we're going to put this underneath our eyes. I'm just going to tight line. Alright, now I'm just going to line my eyes with the Liquid Pen Eyeliner by Sigma. I am going to apply the Allure Luxe Opulent lashes. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f.'s 16-Hour Camo Concealer and a teeny tiny little brush, and we are going to put the dots that are on the makeup on the PR palette, or PR box, and we're going to put it onto our eyes. To add some gloss. So this is the new Juvia's Place Flecked Gloss, and this is in the shade Caramel Rose. Ooh. Ooh, it smells so good. Ooh. Ooh, I'm really loving this, guys. All right. Here is my makeup compared to the inspiration. That is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button down there. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Become part of the Glam Fam. We're pretty awesome here. And that is it. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.